Hey guys, today I'm coming back with another video on how to make Chick-fil-A honey mustard sauce. Y'all, I love Chick-fil-A as you can tell, but them sauces is one of the reasons why I come to Chick-fil-A. So let's get into the video. The ingredients you're gonna need is yellow mustard. You're also gonna need some mayo. You're gonna need barbecue sauce. You're gonna need some honey. You're gonna need some Dijon mustard and some lemon juice. So here guys, we have about 1/4 cups of mayonnaise, and we're just gonna put that into our bowl. Next we have about 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. Alright guys, so next we're gonna take about 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce and put that into our mixture. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we're just adding our Dijon mustard. And now the last thing we're going to add is our lemon juice. Now we're just gonna stir everything together. And guys, this sauce is so good. When you try it, it's an awesome dupe for the Chick-fil-A honey mustard sauce. And guys, I'm just continuing to mix until everything blends together. At this stage, the sauce is ready, and I'm just showing you the consistency of the sauce. And stick around for my next video because I will be pairing this sauce with my keto chicken nuggets. Alright guys, see you next time and be blessed. Please subscribe to my channel and click on those notifications so you know when I make my videos. And please give me a thumbs up and a like.